Welcome students. Hope you all are healthy and happy. Students, do you remember what we learned in the previous class? Yes, we learned till functions of parliament. Today, we are going to learn about money bill, state legislature, executive in India, president and vice president. So, let's begin. Students, let's start with sessions of Parliament. The Parliament of India assembles 3 times a year. They are known as monsoon session, winter session, summer session. As per the Constitution, there should not be an interval of more than 6 months between 2 sessions of the Parliament. If needed, the Rajya Sabha assembles 4 times a year. What is a question hour? Daily sessions of the Parliament begin with question hour. Every day, the Parliament meets at 11 in the morning. The members can ask questions relating to any administrative subject. The ministers in charge will give answers to them. The timetable of the state legislatures are different from Parliament. What is 0 hour? At 12 noon, the question hour ends. It is a small interval after the question hour. The 0 hour lasts for 5 to 15 minutes. After 0 hour, members can notice the important issues faced by people towards the speaker. What is a money bill? A bill related to the collection of revenue or expenditure from the consolidated fund can be termed as money bill. Let's see the procedures of passing a money bill. The Constitution states that a money bill must be introduced only in the Lok Sabha. After the bill is passed by the Lok Sabha, the bill is sent to the Rajya Sabha with a certificate of the Speaker. The Rajya Sabha must return the money bill along with its recommendations to the Lok Sabha within a period of 14 days. The Lok Sabha can accept or reject the recommendations of the Rajya Sabha. Now let's see other functions of Parliament. First one, control over executive. Asking questions during question hour. Giving consideration to various bills and resolutions. Second, electoral function. Participating in the election of the president and vice president. Third, constitutional amendment. Timely amendment of the constitutional provisions. Here, amendment means a minor change or modification of a law. Students, now let's understand about state legislature. In India, there are state legislatures in all the states. They make the laws on the subjects that comes under the state government. In majority of the states has only one house. Such legislature are called unicameral legislature. Few states of India has 2 houses. Such legislatures are called bicameral legislature. States having bicameral legislature. States of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Jammu and Kashmir, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana have bicameral legislatures. The lower house is known as Legislative Assembly. The upper house is known as Legislative Council. Kerala Legislative Assembly. The Kerala Legislative Assembly is popularly known as Niyama Sabha. It is a unicameral legislature. Members are elected for 5 years. It consists of Chief Minister of Kerala, Opposition Party Leader, Speaker, Deputy Speaker and 140 elected representatives. Now let's see what is executive. The organ of the government which implements the law and administrates the country, is called executive. Executive in India. In India, there are two levels of executive: central executive, state executive. Now let's see central executive. The central executive consists of the president, central ministers and bureaucracy. The president and ministers are elected and they are known as political executive. Bureaucrats are appointed on the basis of certain qualifications and they continue in office till retirement. They are known as the permanent executive. President of India. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first President of India, and Ramnath Kovind is the present President of India. The President is the head of the Indian Republic. He is elected by an electoral college for a term of 5 years. The electoral college consists of elected members of Lok Sabha, elected members of Rajya Sabha, elected members of state legislative assemblies. All the executive powers of the central government are vested with the President of India, but he performs all these functions with the support and advice given by the Council of Ministers. Now let's see the qualifications of President. Must be a citizen of India, should have completed 35 years of age, should have all other qualifications required for a member of Lok Sabha. Functions of President: appoint Prime Minister and other ministers, appoint Chief Justice and judges of the Supreme Court, nominate 12 members of Rajya Sabha and 2 members of Lok Sabha, act as the Supreme Commander of Armed Forces, give approval to the bills passed by the Parliament, declare emergency in the country if needed. Vice President of India. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was the first Vice President of India. M. Venkaiah Naidu is the present Vice President of India. The Vice President is elected by an electoral college. He is elected for 5 years. Functions of Vice President. Vice President performs the function of the President in his absence. He presides over the sessions of Rajya Sabha. Hope you all understood what we learned in this chapter. We will meet in the next class with a new chapter. Thank you.